Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a logo for free for your gaming channel, either for Facebook or YouTube. So let's begin the video. So in order to make a logo for your gaming channel, you can have different apps or websites available. So in this video I'm going to be using a website on my desktop PC. So let's move towards our PC. So here I am on the PC. First of all, you need to open any browser. So here is the website designevo.com. In this website you can make your gaming logo for free, and you can make other kinds of logo as well. So the first thing that you need to do, here on the top side it says sign up. Just press on sign up, and if you don't have an account, just make an account. So in this way, whatever logo you're going to make, you can save the changes. So I'm just going to log into my account. After logging in, here on the top side you can see it says logo ideas, and here on trends you can see it says gaming logo. So we're going to click on this. Other than that, you can see you can make a large variety of different kinds of logos as well. So we're going to go down, and here it's going to show you different logos templates available, which you can edit directly. So there are a lot of logos available. If you press on more logos, the list is going to go on, and if you want to search any particular type of logo or template, you can just search from here as well. So let's just choose any one particular logo for this case. So let's just choose this one. We're going to press on the customize button, and it's going to open the logo editor. From here you can do different things. If you want to change the color, etc., you can do it. As you can see, it's red, yellow and black. If you want to change the color to something like purple or something other, you can do so. For that, just press on this plus button, and here you're going to get the whole color wheel, and you can get an idea of what kind of color scheme that you want to go with. So let's just go with this one. Okay, and here it is added. After that, here it says company name, so you can add your gaming channel name right here. So just double press on it. I'm just going to type Wasay gaming, and here you can add a slogan as well. So if you want to delete it, you can do so, but if you want any slogan, you can type anyone like sleep, play, repeat. After that, if you want to change its color, you can just select it. Here on the top side you got your font size, your font type, if you want to change it to something different, and here is the color as well. So you can go with any kind of color, like a brighter color or a darker red color, etc. It mainly depends on your choice. Other than that, if we go on to the icon section on the left side, here you can add different kind of icons as well. So you can see they have a lot of icons available. If we go to the skull section, just for example, you can add different kind of skulls as well. If you want to add other text or any other font, you can do so. So if I click on this, and if I want to change the text type, you can see I can do it pretty easy. If you want to add any shape, you can go with it, and if you want to remove the background or change the background color, you can do that as well. So you can go with gradients as well, which is supported in this logo maker. After that, if you are happy with the changes, you can press first on save, so that your changes are saved. So after that, we're going to press on the download button. So you can see, congratulations, you just created an excellent logo. So they got a pricing, but if you want to just use this logo on your Facebook or YouTube page, where a high resolution logo ain't required when you're starting a new channel, so you can just press on this download a low resolution free logo. We're going to press on download and agree, and it's going to download the low resolution logo. So here it has downloaded. Let me open it. So it's in a zip file. You need some kind of unzipping software. I'm using WinRAR. So here it's going to have a logo folder. Let me just extract it to the desktop, and here if I go to the desktop, here's the logo folder. If I open it, you can see here are the low resolution logo. But as you can see in the logo, there is no watermark of the company like Design Evo, which you see in many of the websites, that where you're going to make a logo. When you're going to download the free version, it's going to have that website's watermark, but in this case you can see you don't have any watermark, and you can easily use it on your Facebook or YouTube gaming channel. Again, when you're starting, you can go with the free version. Once your channel has reached a particular number, then you can just buy this logo from the same site. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.